we can argue about a lot of things in the United States. It's easy to find an argument, right? It's easy to find two opposing sides of an argument. One thing I have not found any argument on is that, man, all of us should care about the welfare of vulnerable kids in the communities we're part of.
That's awesome.
No one has yet had the courage to tell me that's not an important thing, right? And I'd welcome that conversation. If anyone wants to tell me, you know what, we just really shouldn't care. And so we've looked at that and said, man, how do we love the most vulnerable among us in the communities that we're a part of? And one of the institutions we think needs a lot of help is the American education system. So we've invested in building a urban-focused charter school called Movement School. About 95% of our kids are out or below the poverty line, 95% minority. And our kids in just 2 years have 4 times the academic performance of their demographic peers.
Wow.
Right? We invested about $15 million to a shopping center, redeveloped the school. We actually then are now building an affordable housing project with some partners on that site, and then partnering with the biggest hospital system in our state to put an urban health clinic there as well. So we can synergistically bring some of the institutions that actually transform the experience of people together to serve a community that's really underserved right now, and then watch what these kids can do. Right. Watch what these kids can do actually when they're in an environment that helps them and draws them towards success. Because the amazing thing is, man, these little children are gifted and equipped, and they're valuable, and they can perform at the highest levels just like anybody's kids in any school. But they are in some really, really tough situations where they are not getting the education they need. They're in housing that's very unstable, very unsafe, creates all kinds of distractions, and they're not getting the healthcare they need. Right. When you solve for those things, man, sky's the limit for these kids. And